Hello guys, my name is Rohit Kumar. So today I am going to show you how to export the object and its related fields like API names and field types and all the things regarding this object. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce and I need more subscriber for this channel, and I will show you more interested things in upcoming session. So please subscribe, like, share, comments. Okay, so let me open my org. So you can see this is my org, and with the help of this org we can export these functionalities as we discussed. Okay, so with the help of Google extension we can do that. So let me open my Google extension like as a Salesforce DevTools. Just click this, and after clicking this you can see like a account name. You can see this is account name, and here one button is export. Okay, so just click this export, and after exporting you can see different types of things. Just I need this object field definition, just click this, and here after some time you can see like I say one file is downloaded, extension like .xls. So open in folder, and after opening this file, so because I formatted my computer, so I don't have any MS Office file, Office software. So let me open with the help of online tools like, just a second. Yeah, so here you can see with the help of online viewer Excels, you can see, just click this and open our XLS file with online. After some time you can see everything like object name. This is the object name like as account, object API name, account, and here you can see all the API name. This is regarding fields like field label, account ID, and all the things, data types, length, field type, required, yes or no, just pick list value, formula, external ID, and help text. So it's related to the at the time of object creation these things asking. Okay, so this is the things how we can do like object and its fields API name. This is the very most important things in Excel files. Okay, so I hope you like this session. I will upload more interested topics, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, share, like, comments, and please stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.